Memory is the storage of the computer where all the work is done. The more memory your computer has, the faster it will work. We will now look at the three main types of memory. The first is ROM, which is known as the read-only memory. It works on the data stored on the computer system like reboot and cannot be changed. Then we have RAM, which is also known as random access memory. All the work you are doing on a computer until you save it on the hard disk gets saved here. It is a quick way to access memory stored on the computer temporarily. As a result, if you will close the computer, the data stored on the RAM will be lost. The third type of memory, IDE, the flash memory, which is more fast and expensive. Flash memory acts as a secondary data storage facility, and it does not lose the data when the computer is switched off. Memory is stored on chips inside the console and is measured in bytes. There are 1024 bytes in a kilobyte, and 1024 kilobytes in a megabyte, and 1024 megabytes in a gigabyte. There is a lot more to learn about bytes, and for that we have to start a new tutorial. For those who want to get their hands dirty and want to know more about the inner workings in the computer.